in the trap, girls on my label, girls at the bank, cause I'm about my paper. Got girls with weave, girls without it. She like this on mine, I doubt it.
Baby girl, I know you have faith, but it's all good. And it's a hair store right up in my hood, right next to Paul's. Paul's liquor store. Always catch me there, getting liquor, bro, or Dutch, or black. I got girls with titties who ass is fat. I got girls fly me, so you know that we match. I home run hit 'em when I come up the bat. You should know me like that. If you don't know me like that, then what? Take a pause, rewind it back. You don't know me like that, you should know me like that. Now let's get back to this mixtape track. I'm S to the U, U to the P, P to the A. Next Griddle King, Super Mario, I rip 58th Street. And what?